What up?
How late were you here last night, big dog?
Midnight. Do you turn those rods off for me?
Yeah, they're off.
All right, thanks, dude.
Every custom rod starts with an idea of what we want to use it for, of what we want it to look like, and what we want it to feel like. But most importantly, how do we want the rod to perform? I'm very grateful for companies like AFTCO continuing to hold the torch of building high-quality American-made products that we can rely on as rod builders. Making rods is a functional thing, and it is also an artistic thing. And I believe that those two things should meld in a certain way where they're honoring both sides of those principles. As far as a functional classic grip, the handmade cork grip, glued on the blank, turned on a lathe, and made with high quality cork is somewhat of a dying art. They've come a long way with prefabricated cork grips. I don't know if it's just the purist in me, but I'm more interested in making them this way. Building a rod with AFTCO components gives us a high-performance, durable rod that we know our customers can count on. After 20 years of building rods, sometimes sitting down at the bench is hard. What keeps me doing it is knowing my customers are using those rods to make incredible memories.